stop now. There it go now, 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 now. Okay, time to whistle.
Evo's yours.
There it go, bring it here, baby. Okay. There it go, sit it down, baby. There it go, sit it down, baby. Okay. There it go, bring it here, baby. Come on. There it go, bring it here.
Welcome to the vlog. Before we get started, I want to go ahead and show you guys some new products that we're launching. We've got a new flannel, just came out. It's actually launching this Friday, so don't sleep. This thing's pretty dope. My favorite thing is this little tag right here. Gotcha. We also have a new shop shirt that's coming out on Friday as well with the throtl logo in my traditional floral yellow and white. We've also got some restock items coming in. We've got a new license plate frame, a little difficult to see there. It's a really quality piece, as well as our shift knobs, our signature shift knobs in fluoros and black Delrin.
What the heck?
What do you bring?
Wait till you see.
G-Wagon?
Nah, not even, dude. Go look out there.
Hey! What's up, dude? Wow. Hey.
Dude, that's sick. I was not expecting this.
I was not expecting that either. That's freaking awesome.
What do you think, Tej?
Cool?
I've never seen this before.
Neither have I.
So sick.
Dude, look at that plate.
This is the car that got me into it all.
It's probably got all of us into it all. Pretty sick.
Was it green already or just totally
It was
trapped?
green already, but it wasn't that green.
Wow.
So yeah, I changed pretty much everything on it. Interior completely.
I know, so many good details that you nailed. Like the steering wheel, the wiring, right? I remember that.
Everything.
The seats,
The steering wheel, the nitrous buttons, the wiring to it, the Torino 2 sparkler seats, the seat belts, the actual computer. It's the actual same model.
Wow.
Yeah. The nitrous tanks, the brackets, the shift knob, the pedal covers.
Oh my god.
The fake carbon fiber decals on the.
Was it really hard to find everything?
Wow, you don't know the half of it.
Wow.
Wow, I had stuff coming in from Italy, from France, from England. The wheels actually came from San Diego.
It's funny because these are Axis, right?
Yeah,
Axis,
Axis 7, yeah. The wing is really hard to find.
Mickey built an FDRX7 and it came with the Racing Heart 5-spoke or 7-spoke wheels.
Supra had that.
You have an RX-7 replica as well?
I have the RX-7 replica that I've just finished after a year and a half. I have Too Fast, Too Furious Purple Eclipse, the Spider, Tyrese's.
Yeah.
And I've just finished building the High Civic from the first scene, the black one. Yeah, for a friend of mine, with the help of being rich. We literally did that car in 2 weeks.
Terminator wing, right? Yep. At some point, I would love to rebuild a car from a movie, whether it's Fast and Furious or one of the other movies that are out there.
You know what I would love you to do?
What's that?
The white Civic from the first movie or the Integra. I've never seen anybody.
Oh, the red Momo Integra.
The red Momo
Ja
Integra.
rules.
Ja rules, yeah.
Never seen any replica in the US.
Wings West body kit, I think.
Yeah, correct.
Pop the hood.
Pop the hood.
Pop the hood.
Pop the hood.
Hey, pop the hood.
Pop the hood.
Pop the hood.
So that's the 420A.
Yeah. And that's what was in the movie car too, right?
Correct.
It was non-turbo, and they added the turbo sound.
When you open the hood in the movie, you can see the intake, which the turbo engines has it on the other side. So you can clearly see it's a 420A.
It's super funny that they didn't just get a GSX or GST.
Just for that scene.
All right, so Sung just got here. They actually brought an awesome Fast and Furious Eclipse replica, which is super cool, kind of a special treat for Jesus. Now, Jesus just got off the plane. He just sent me a text. He should be here in about 10 to 15 minutes. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna hide Sung in the kitchen, and Sung's gonna come out and he's gonna pull the sheet for Jesus. It's gonna be a huge surprise. So very exciting. We've never done anything like this before. I'm very excited. I'm very excited for Jesus. I think this is gonna be amazing. So just stick with us, guys, and this video is gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
What's up, man? What's up? Welcome. Whoa, what's up?
Finally made it.
Great to meet you, dude. Congratulations. Good.
Good. How you doing?
Good trip. So this is Throttle HQ, media stuff, typically in this area. Hunt & Co. operates out of this area. What do you drive right now?
Element.
Stock or is it modded? Stock?
Well, I put Tane put over.
Okay. All right.
Not too much.
The Evo, I think out of all the ones that we've done, I think the Evo is the most fun, well-rounded car that we've done here.
You could take that thing right under the track.
I would say so. I think just because it came from a full race car to what we converted it back to a street car, for me it was a super exciting.
Yeah. So here, let's show you the shot. I think that's probably what you want to see.
Where the magic happens, baby. Ooh, there it is.
So we always ask everyone who comes here, does it look smaller or bigger than you imagined? Or maybe the same?
Bigger,
It looks bigger.
Does it look bigger?
Yeah.
This guy lucked out, man. What a great treat for him, huh? $18.
How long have you been talking?
One of those. Got a car. How much would this car cost to buy?
I think it came out to 75. Like if
You bought all retail.
Stock or is
It was like 75, 77. Yeah.
This guy.
We did a video on it, on how much it would cost if you wanted to build the exact same car.
So usually it's either me or Mickey that's gonna pull the sheet off and reveal the car, but we actually have someone very special here today. So exciting. So would the mystery guy behind the door come out? Okay. The Evo is yours, man.
Thank you. How you doing? Good. Thank you.
Good for you, man. You recognize that guy?
All right.
It's a big day for you.
Take a breather, everyone take a breather. You already won.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. There she is. You got the keys in your hand.
Well, you matched the car, man. How'd you know?
Yeah, my wife wants me to choose.
Oh, yeah. Come on inside.
You think I'm gonna let him ride in the
Unbelievable. And more.
Yeah, more. Oh, I like to hear that. So just some of the things you probably watched all the videos, but so all new Sparko gear. We left the racing gauges. This car was, like I said, a full-on race car when we got it. We basically removed the race manifold and the race turbo and all that. We went to a stock turbo manifold with basically an upgraded turbo system. And basically got everything back into compliance so that you could register this car in California or whatever state you're in. And in order to make it look cool, we added a bunch of carbon bits from RPG, APR, painted the valve covers to match the wheels because I like to tie everything in from the outside to the inside. And we left you these awesome Moton Club Sports, which are dual adjustable. This is like a $3,000 to $5,000 suspension that was on the race car, so we wanted to maintain that. I was a little concerned that the ride quality wasn't going to be great because it's a race suspension, but it's actually fantastic. So we left those. I think it's a bit of a flex for the Cars and Coffee meets, but I think it's pretty cool.
They're $6,600.
They're $6,600. Okay, so super expensive.
You know what the next thing to do is?
Go for a drive.
Go for a drive.
Comes on boost pretty late, so I recommend getting her in a third gear and give her a little stab through here if you want. He's short shifted. He's short shifted. Look at. I can't steal a line from the movie. I can't do it. So. Woo. Oh man. That sounds nice. It does, right? The wastegates and the blow-off valve are so good on this car. Yeah, baby! She gets it. Oh, yeah. She still gets it. She does. How's this gonna be in Chicago, dude? Are you ready for it? Chicago, you boys ready for the Evo? Be on the lookout. Alright, let's send somebody else with you. Yeah, that's the reaction we're after. 2 thumbs up. Still can't believe it's mine. Serious, dude.
This is real. This is your car. Yeah. This is your car.
I still can't believe it.
I think maybe when it gets to your house, that's when you're gonna be like, oh my god. But you know, we're super thankful that you placed your order with us.
Yeah.
1 jet tag.
I still can't believe it.
You won it. This car grips up so nice in that sound. Oh man. So puts a smile on your face, huh? Yeah. Me too. I drove this car last night and I was like, man, this one is sick. This one is one of my favorites for sure. Did you ever think this was possible?
No.
No.
Yeah.
I'm stoked for you. I think you're gonna enjoy it. I hope you, maybe find some time, do some autocross, or maybe go to the track every now and then, because really, that's where this thing shines. Oh yeah. You okay with having son Kang drive your car?
Yeah. Yeah. He can drive whenever he wants.
So you're gonna go.
I think he likes it. That smile, I don't think I've seen you without that smile since you pulled up.
Wow. Yeah, I know. Wow. Woo! That sounds good. It does. Nice. Congratulations. Thank you, thank you. They get you a great car, huh? Yeah. Yep. Yeah. It's so nice.
Fun, yeah?
So nice.
Pretty much 90.
Alright, before we close out today's video, we're going to try something. We're going to try to recreate that amazing scene from Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift when Han gives the keys to Sean, and we're going to try to recreate that here with Jesus. So we've got everything staged here, and we'll go ahead and roll the clip.
Time to
Evo's yours.
There it go, bring it here, baby. Okay. There it go, sit it down, baby. There it go, sit it down, baby. Okay. There it go, bring it here, baby. Come on. There it go, bring it here.
All right, that's it guys for today's video. If you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Remember to subscribe for awesome automotive content. And we appreciate each and every one of you guys from sticking around all the way to the end. Thank you guys. Peace out. Later.
Everybody wants custom. We have a lifetime supply of gas. On behalf of Throtl. Yeah. That's what Mickey thinks about. Before I get in anyone's car, I want you to teach me how to drive the car, okay? No, I'm serious.
You gotta teach me.
No, I've never driven an Evo. I haven't. I've only given them away.
You give away.
Really?
Let's go.
So what is this car?
The Evo 8. Hey, owned by Throtl.
Hey, the boys in here are saying you look like Hector from the movie.
Oh. The bald head.
It's the bald head.
Yeah.
Alright, but I'm serious. You gotta teach me how to car. 5 speed? 6 speed?
5.
5 speed?
Yeah.
How's the clutch?
Good.
Tight? Yeah?
All right, go ahead, guys. You can come through. Action.
Ready?
Yep, action. Yep.
Director's calling action. Ready?
It's gonna be a good day. No. You kind of match the color of the car.
Nope. He's just. He pulled me that way. All right, I'm rolling. Let's reset that. Can't have you walking into a garbage can. Just give me one more of the blue Evo's yours.
No, Evo's yours.
Okay. Action.
Evo's yours. One more time.
Good catch.
Not used to calling action because these guys just go when they're ready to go. Sucks way to.
All right, that's it.